Hi everyone, this is Ellanoor Memorybooks again, and this is a beautiful, cute journal I've bought from 7 Memories book arts. Yes, and I only document things from the December month and like Christmas and December month. So that's what I use this journal for. And of course, I document first this photo from the Christmas tree I've decorated the wall with, and I've made this Christmas tree with Christmas garland and some beautiful lights. So that's my very first spread, and the only thing I will use in this journal is washi tape to decorate and photos, because the journal is very much packed with a lot of extra writing space, but also extra tags and journal cards, so it is not necessary to add more like Christmas scrapbook paper or Christmas themed anything, so otherwise it only will be too bulky, and I don't like alligator mouth, so I just add photos and I'm journal the things what I want in this journal. So and here another photo from my little girl in front of the Christmas tree. She just wanted to when I was ready with the Christmas tree, she immediately want to post for a picture, so that's it. And as you can see here, I use this little cards or tag to add the photo on. And as you can see, I use my double-sided tape, but also extra glue, and the reason why is why I combine these two is because the tacky glue doesn't attach immediately, but the double-sided tape, of course, it attaches. But also the double-sided tape won't last for long instead of the tacky glue. So I hope it makes any sense why I use this tool to glue on my pictures. So this is the only thing I add in this journal, and that's this tag for my Christmas journals. I've made one extra, and I added in this journal as a memory to my journals I've made. So here I have this tiny little photos I printed from my Canon selfie camera, and that's why I love the Canon selfie cameras, because you can size the pictures into these little cute photos. And there we go to the next spread. And as you can see, I work in this chronologically because I will use this journal only for my Christmas journaling. So I thought it might be cool if I work in this chronologically, so I can document each year. And since of course I don't I add not extra papers beside photos and some washi tape, it is okay. So this spread was all about a Christmas circus. We all go to this Christmas circus with the whole family, And it was actually after a couple of years we had the COVID-19, so I did not go there for how long ago now? I think, how long is this COVID? 3 years or something. So it was a very special day for all of us to be together on Christmas Day and yeah, celebrate this with a day out. So that's this spread about. And here I have some word stickers, and it just arrived, so I was super excited to use this in my journal. I love it since my handwriting is not so pretty as I wish. So for this next spread is just a random photo from my daughter who wanted to post in front of this table with the two books you see there on the table. Actually, I was taking photos from those two books to sell it on Marketplace, and she saw me taking the pictures and she was like, "Oh, you're taking pictures. I want you to take pictures with me with the books." So that's what it's about. It's just a random photo. And here I'm trying to figure out what I will do with this cute little sticker. It's a sticker, so I was like, you know what, maybe for later. And this next spread was a day my colleague invited all the whole, like, not the whole team, but like a half of the team to her house, and she was super sweet because she made a lot of food and cake and everyone, and it was a very very funny day together. We sing and dance. And here I add the sticker "A New Beginning" in front above that door, because the first day on Christmas, after the circus actually, we go to my new house. I have a new house, and in this moment we're like so busy to move there. So actually all my journal stuff is packed, so yeah, I don't have a lot to work with. And all these next photos is about a day my husband and my eldest daughter, we're three, were going to a musical, Aladdin. So I just document a couple photos and I journal something about that beautiful evening. The stage was so beautiful. I don't go very often to musicals, but I really like it. I wish I can go more in the future to musicals because it was so beautiful. The stage, I really love to watch it from beginning until end. How they dance and sing. I really love it. But especially the stage, they did a wonderful job, really. And these were my last photos from this Christmas season, and this was about New Year's Eve. We bought all this firework, and this is actually the first time I ever bought fireworks, so for me it was so special. So I've made a photo, I made a picture from it, and that's my sister who holds the package, the very big package. I'm actually, I love firework, but at the same time, I don't, I want to spend out so much money on it. So that was a dilemma for me. But yeah, this year I was like, you know what? It's this last time in this home, so like, why not? And now we're at the end. So this is a final flip through for you guys, and yeah, I wish you all a very healthy, happy new year. And yeah, thanks for staying here until the end. And yeah, if you have any question, of course, comment below. And if you don't subscribe yet, subscribe to my channel, it would help a lot. And if you liked the video, then of course give a thumbs up.